A warm good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the EVS class. Today, that is 19th of July 2021, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. The topics that we will discuss in today's class: Introduction and Symbols of Unity. Learning Outcomes. At the end of today's explanation, students will be able to identify the Indian states and union territories, to explain the basic difference between a state and a union territory, to identify the symbols of unity. Before moving on to the explanation, I would like to ask you all a few questions. How many states and union territories India have? Is Assam a state or a union territory? Are the states and union territories same? So we are going to find the answers to all these questions as I proceed with the class. This is the political map of India. India, officially known as the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. India is the second most populous country and the seventh largest country by land area. If you look at the map of India, you can see that India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the southwest, and the Bay of Bengal in the southeast. Just like you have your neighbors, similarly, our India is also having some neighboring countries. These are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Tibet, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. India has 28 states. These are the 8 union territories: Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Ladakh, Delhi, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So dear children, India is having 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, you must wondering, what is the difference between a union territory and a state? Are these both same or different? Union territories and states are different. States are ruled by state governments. Union territories are ruled directly by the central government. Just like states have their capitals, union territories have also their administrative centers. Moving on to the main part of today's explanation, that is knowing about unity in diversity. India has 28 states and 8 union territories that we already came across. This makes it a vast country. Yes, it is a vast country. It is the 7th largest country. Each state has got its own food, its custom, its dresses, traditions. But this has never made that the Indians separated. Irrespective of the fact that there are different religions in India, there are Hindu people, Islam, Christianity, Sikh, but at the end of the day, we feel proud to be called us as Indians. And this is something which has always kept all the Indians together, the feeling of unity. And thus, it can be said that India is a country where we can see unity in diversity. India is a brilliant example of unity in diversity. In India, people of diverse religions, cultures, castes have been living together for centuries. They have been living together and this shows the unity of the Indian people. Unity in diversity is something that connects the people in the bond of humanity. And yes, India is a brilliant example of the term unity in diversity. Now, my dear children, symbols of unity. Your school uniform, school emblem, school badge tells from which school you belong to. Similarly, our national symbols, they represent, they tell that we all are, everybody, we all are Indians. These are the national symbols of India. The national emblem, the national flag, the national animal, the national bird. So all these are the national symbols of India. In the next classes, we are going to discuss about each and every single national symbol of India in detail. So now, my dear children, these are today's important words. Union territory. A union territory is a small administrative unit that is ruled by the union. Union means the center. Citizens. Citizen means the inhabitants of a particular country. The people living within a particular country. Symbols. Symbols are the signs or a mark or a word that is used to represent something. Now comes the question of the day. The question is, unity means. The options are option 1, being together, option 2, the state of being united, option 3, the state of being divided, option 4, both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is option 4, both 1 and 2. That is, unity means being together and also the state of being united. Now, my dear children, this is your homework for the day. Please, you note down the homework. You have to list the northeastern states of India along with their capitals. You will be doing it on your EVS copy. So with this, I would like to end today's class. Dear children, please take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.